Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off my Tinker Day pick apart in Charlotte. Somebody lost some of their hardware to put their power steering pump back in. So I got most of these bolts, but I'm gonna pull a couple, ship it to them. If you guys take this stuff apart, put it right back together the next day, you won't lose your hardware. Very nice looking S70 here. The car looks like it was well maintained. It's got a newer alternator. The seats look like they were in great shape. Has some Bilstein touring on there. The roof trim looks good. This car might be picked to death before too long. Nice armrest. No sunroof. Interesting. Good roof liner. Somebody may want to come get some parts off this thing. Had a phone call I had to take, so didn't get to film much at the junkyard, but I did get the hardware I needed. The junkyard here on Tryon, I guess I'm on. Yeah, it has a good supply of P80s, a couple of red blocks, a couple of 960s. It's a decent yard, so if you need some Volvo parts, you may want to come down here. And man, some of these cars look pretty clean. So anyway, I'm go down to Swedish Connection Volvo shop here, see if they can help me get the refrigerant out of my AC system so I can go over my sister's house, swap this AC compressor, and try to get me some AC today. I may not need it going back, but you know, it's good to have AC help your defrosting. So I'm gonna try to get that taken care of today and see what else I can get into. I'm supposed to help my nephew with his car, and he's acting a little squirrely, but we'll see what happens. He needs some brakes and some other stuff done. I am in Swedish Connection. Panther's about to get the AC compressor replaced. Guys here are kind enough to welcome me in, get the refrigerant captured, and about to replace this compressor, drop the oil, and see what else we can stay out of trouble with. Old compressor out. Man, that thing's dirty. Dirty. Fan back in, charge pipe back on. We're gonna get underneath, put the bottom back together, and then fire this baby up. I already got the belt on it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.